Add video filters to your video in Capcut mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Your clip is selected and highlighted. Biking and tapping on it, as you can see, and go down and scroll to the right. You see the option filters next to basic and video quality. Basically, any one of these filters, if you were to click on the filter, notice that the color of your video clip footage has successfully been changed and adapted. Scroll down and drag this slider to the right. That's how it's applying more of the filter than if we scroll to the left. So pick any one of these filters, it's up to you, and once you're happy and satisfied, click the checkmark icon. And if you even want, you can apply this to all of your video clips and footage by going to the bottom left hand screen and click apply to all. And this is what we have. Or should I say, this is the before. And this is the after. Notice the difference, completely for free in Capcut mobile.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.